Hello everyone. In this video, we will make a digital watch using LCD screen and NodeMCU board. This one is a Nokia LCD screen. This is the NodeMCU Wi-Fi board. We will get the time from the NTP server. NTP is an online web server through which we can get the real-time clock value, and we will show it on the LCD screen. This is the Wi-Fi communication board that we will use to connect with the internet and get the server time. First we will do the connections. Here also in the code we have mentioned the connections. D0 pin of the NodeMCU board will connect with the reset pin of the LCD. D1 pin with the CE. D7 pin with the D-in, D6 pin with the DC, and D5 pin with the clock. So the connections has been completed. Now we will take a look at the code. Here in the code we have the Wi-Fi UDP library. This one is needed to send the packets and receive the packets. This one is the ESP Wi-Fi communication library. Then we have a SPI library for the serial peripheral interface communication with the Nokia LCD. Then we have the graphics library from the Adafruit, and here are the connection details for the LCD. These are the connection details between the LCD and the ESP board. Now here we have declared the SSID and password for the Wi-Fi communication. These one details can be the router details of your personal router or a Wi-Fi hotspot. Here we have declared some variables to store the hour detail of the time, and the minute detail of the time. Now this is the local port of the UDP port through which we will be communicating with the internet, and we will get the web packets. This one is the time NTP server address, IP address of this NTP server. This one is the website address of the NTP server. It's a government website. This one is the packet size of the NTP packet. It is 48 bytes. This is a packet buffer. We will send the packet. We will send the information inside this packet. We have created a UDP object for the UDP port communication. In the setup, we have initialized the serial communication. Then we have initialize a display LCD screen. Here we have initialized the Wi-Fi of the NodeMCU with the SSID and password. Now here we are trying to connect with the Wi-Fi router. In this, if we have connected successfully, the SSID will be displayed on the LCD screen. Here we have opened the UDP port. Now this one is the function for sending the NTP packet. Through this statement we are clearing the packet buffer. This is the packet buffer we declared above. In this packet buffer we will send and receive the information. We are clearing it with a 0. This is the packet size that we declared earlier. So here we are sending some information inside the packet. So this information is the leap indicator, version and mode. The leap indicator is 3. The version we are using presently is 4, and mode is client. Here the stratum is the level of accuracy. We have used 0 indicates no uncategorized accuracy. So here we have mentioned a polling interval. This is in the logarithm value. Here is the clock precision, and then an 8 byte of 0. So here we have started a transmission of UDP packet, write the packet, and end of the UDP communication. Inside the loop, we have declared some variables for storing the time details. Here we are connected with the NTP server, sending the NTP packet with the IP address of the server. Here we are receiving the packet. If the packet is empty, we will display a no packet yet on the screen on the serial monitor. If we got a packet, we will read the UDP packet. We will store the high word and low word from the packet in the variables. The time information is stored in the 40th, 41st, 42nd and 43rd byte of the packet buffer. This one is the extraction statements from the packet buffer to get the time details. Here we are converting the time into minutes, hours. Here we are declaring that the time that we have calculated above on the LCD screen. So this was about the digital watch that we have developed using the NodeMCU and LCD screen. Now we will see a demonstration. For that we will upload the code. We need to check the board name. It should be NodeMCU. We will connect the board with a USB cable. Select the COM port. Now we will upload the code. Code is compiling. Code is uploading. Done uploading. On the screen we can see it is trying to connect to the Wi-Fi router. So it is connected and it is showing the present time. The present time is 4:45. So this was about a digital watch that we have developed using LCD screen and the NodeMCU board, and we are getting time details from the NTP server. Thank you.